Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the ultimate destination for luxury real estate tours. Today, we are taking you inside a modern masterpiece that stands out with bold architecture, elegant design, and a unique dual-tone exterior. With a striking black top and a crisp white lower facade, this property is more than a home, it is a lifestyle statement. From the front elevation, you can already see the grandeur. The sleek black and white contrast, paired with floor-to-ceiling glass panels and a dramatic entrance, makes this mansion an architectural landmark. As we move to the back view, the design opens beautifully to an outdoor paradise. Large sliding glass doors connect the interior with a sparkling infinity pool, landscaped gardens, and open spaces designed for relaxation and entertainment. The side views reveal the attention to detail. On the left, a wide driveway leads to a state-of-the-art garage, while the right side showcases elegant balconies and additional architectural layers. Inside the garage, glossy polished floors, luxury LED lighting, and spacious car bays create a showroom feel for high-end vehicles. Inside the mansion, the living room is a masterpiece in itself. With soaring 12-foot ceilings, white marble floors, black ceiling accents, and floor-to-ceiling glass walls, the space feels expansive, bright, and modern. Natural light fills the room, creating the perfect balance of comfort and elegance. The dining area continues this luxury theme with a sleek dining table, a full wine cellar display, and warm lighting. The black and white contrast creates a timeless setting, perfect for both private dinners and stylish gatherings. Next is the gourmet kitchen, which is the heart of the home. Custom cabinetry in black and white, a marble island with champagne brass accents, and modern appliances make this kitchen functional yet stunning. Whether it's cooking for the family or hosting guests, this kitchen defines modern luxury. The master bedroom is a private retreat with glass walls opening to a balcony that overlooks panoramic views of the ocean and city skyline. The dual-tone theme continues here, blending soft whites with subtle black accents. Guest bedrooms are equally elegant, offering comfort, privacy, and modern design. Bathrooms in this mansion feel like five-star spas. The master bathroom features black marble walls, a freestanding white bathtub, gold fixtures, and a skylight that brings in natural light. The guest bathrooms offer minimalist black and white designs, LED mirrors, and sleek walk-in glass showers. For entertainment, the home features a private theater with acoustic black walls, reclining leather seats, and cinematic LED lighting. The gym room is fitted with state-of-the-art equipment, mirrored walls, and floor-to-ceiling windows, making workouts both inspiring and comfortable. The outdoor swimming pool area is breathtaking. The infinity pool reflects the sky, blending perfectly with the mansion's black and white design. Palm trees, luxury seating, and outdoor spaces make this area a private resort. The rooftop lounge offers spectacular panoramic views of the city and ocean. With sleek glass railings and stylish lounge furniture, it's the perfect place to enjoy a sunset or a night under the stars. From the aerial drone view, the full beauty of this dual-tone architectural masterpiece is revealed, standing tall in one of the most prestigious neighborhoods in Los Angeles. This house is more than just a property. It is a vision of modern design, combining bold architecture, high-end features, and timeless elegance. From its dual-tone black and white exterior to its luxurious interior spaces, it reflects the very essence of the American dream. Thank you for watching this exclusive luxury home tour on American Dream Mansions. If you enjoy exploring iconic properties and dream homes, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Stay tuned for more extraordinary mansions from around the world, only here on American Dream Mansions.